cycle is the name we give to the series of changes in the life of an organism. An organism is anything that's living. We have life cycles as well. When we're born, we're an infant. But later we grow into a toddler. Our life cycles are the changes that our body will go through at any given moment in our life. So throughout our whole life, we change life cycles the more that we grow. We've already discussed a lot of different types of life cycles, but there are so many more that we've yet to explore.
We've already learned about the life cycle of a frog. They are born from eggs, and when they are born, they have no legs and live in the water. They are called tadpoles until they start to grow their legs. After they grow all of their legs and lose their long tail, they become adult frogs, and now they go between the land and the water. We've also become familiar with the life cycle of a butterfly. Butterflies also start out from an egg, but they do something really cool before becoming an adult butterfly. They build a pupa as a caterpillar, and inside they transform into a butterfly. Not only animals have life cycles, plants are organisms too. Remember, anything living is an organism. Even trees have life cycles. Let's look at the life cycle of an apple tree. The first stage of an apple tree's life cycle is a seed. Once an apple tree seed is planted, it becomes a seed with leaves. This happens because of the seed breaking open, and it is the beginning of the tree's growth. Once the tree breaks through the ground, it is called a seedling. Can you believe this tiny plant can grow into such a big tree? The growing tree stage looks like this. The tree has grown a lot. It now has bark. I don't see any apples yet. Wow, look at all the apples on this tree. This stage of the apple tree's lifestyle is named because of the apples. The stage is called a mature tree with fruit. Whatever apples aren't picked from the tree will eventually fall to the ground and rot. Have you ever bitten into an apple and ate it all the way down to the core? What did you find in the middle? That's right! All fruit have seeds, which fall to the ground along with the fruit in order to continue the life cycle of the tree. Okay, got it? I know it's a lot, but here's a quick review. A seed is planted, which then is cracked open by the tree growing. It plants itself into the soil and forms a seedling. This is when we first see the tree above the soil. From this stage, the seedling forms into a small tree and then a growing tree. The growing tree stage is when we first begin to see the bark on the tree. We can tell the tree has matured when it grows the delicious fruit. The fruit contains seeds, which we know if we have ever bitten into a seed while eating a fruit, yuck. And what does the seed do? That's right, and we go again. It's a cycle. Don't worry, you don't need to remember all of this. Just remember, all growing things have life cycles because their features change as they grow. We don't look the same now as we did when we were a baby, and neither does a tree.